Now I will show you how to install the language tool extension in your web browser. If you have a Google Chrome based web browser like I have, it's very Brave. So first I'll search for the Chrome Web Store. Next go to Chrome Web Store. Now search on the store language tool. Let it come. Okay, it has came. So you can see that it is the language tool. Grammatical. Click on it and then add to Brave. As I have Brave browser, so I'll add it. Extension. You can see that it is getting downloaded. But it gets completed. Now to utilize this language tool, you'll have to use online notepad. So I'll search for online notepad on the web browser. Okay. Rapid tables, I'll click on it. I have already pasted some contents, so I'll remove it first. Then I'll copy my contents and paste on it. As you can see that it is already showing some mistakes. You just need to correct them. As you can see, it automatically shows you the mistakes and give you the chance to correct all those things. After that you have made your corrections, you can save this file on your computer. Just click on the download button and it will provide you the download option. Type a file name and save it. As you can see, you can choose where you would like to save it. Just click on save. I'll cancel it as I already have it. So this way you can utilize the online language tool in your browser.